Hi everyone, this is 12 It's back time for the 12 is Cruella tries to buy the puppies scene. Here we go. Here we go, buddy. Nice, you've done it, buddy. It's hatching. Hatching down. You've done it, buddy. It's hatching.
I'm glad I'm only having the one.
Here she goes.
Anita?
There you go. There you go.
I know.
I know.
The devil take it. The mongrel. No spots. No spots at all. What a horrible little
What's going on?
The spots don't come till later. You're sure? Yes. All right. Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
What? They were just...
This is for solitaire.
Cruella, the puppies have to be with their mother for several weeks. They're not ready to leave. Fine, put the little brutes on reserve for me. How much would you like?
They're not for sale.
You've come
Give
into
us
some
the
money,
money.
have you?
And
Did
they're
you
just
decide
saying a
some
version
silly
on
game
the
that will drive the
Senor,
delinquent
but
kitties into frenzies
unfortunately,
of video
it's
delight?
wrong.
Matter of fact,
This is
I
what
know
I
what
go
you
with the
mean
movie
to
on
say,
tonight.
but we're not sure we're going to sell the puppies.
Anita, don't be ridiculous. You can't possibly afford to keep them. I'll pay you twice what they're worth. Come now. I'm being more than generous. £500. £7,500. Fair? £2 per spot.
Cruella,
Look what you've done with 15
It's
puppies.
irrelevant, and you just can't have any because they're not for sale.
I'm getting very tired of you, Roland.
Roger.
Whatever.
Thunder Rumbos. Shouting, screaming continue. Screamed Cruella as she hurried along. Ready, go. There you go. That's better, isn't it? Holy cricket! It was Harry Potter! I'm Hermione Granger. And it was... What's wrong with you? Her God changing the world.
Come on, you.
Had you known? Had you known?
Thank you, Paula. They're here. I got them. Anita.
Television continues.
I'm in the living room. Come on down and have a look.
3 out of 4. 30 points for Gryffindor. That wraps up this part.
You as well.
You've heard that, have you?
Wait till you see what I've got for you in this bag.
Problems are
And
occurring in a
that
new way.
wraps up this part.
Changes
Just the
the
same
economy, all
time.
that
Wrap
stuff.
up. That's all.
Traveler
Thank you.
surveillance.
Have a good
Let's put
afternoon.
our